Turn off all power to the heating and cooling system at the breaker before touching thermostat wires to prevent shorts and blown fuses. When replacing or installing a thermostat, first locate and switch off the correct circuit breaker for the furnace or air handler at the electrical panel, and verify power is off by testing the thermostat display and the unit itself. If the thermostat is powered by a separate 24-volt transformer, also turn off the furnace door switch or remove the fuse in the furnace control board to completely isolate the control circuit. Use a non-contact voltage tester on the thermostat wires and at the furnace control terminals to confirm no voltage is present before you touch or disconnect anything. Never rely only on the thermostat display going dark, because some smart thermostats have battery backup. Photograph the existing wire labeling and terminal layout, then label each conductor with tape and a marker so you can restore them exactly. Note common labels like red for power, white for heat call, yellow for cooling call, green for fan, and common or blue for the 24-volt return. When you remove the old thermostat, keep the bare wire tips separated and insulated with small wire nuts or electrical tape to prevent accidental contact with the furnace chassis or each other. If you encounter a blown fuse in the furnace control board, note the fuse amp rating stamped on the fuse or in the equipment manual before replacing it. Do not substitute a higher amp fuse to avoid wiring or control transformer damage. Replace with the exact size and type. If unsure which breaker or fuse controls the system, shut off the main service breaker before proceeding and call a licensed electrician or HVAC technician to avoid risking control board damage or personal injury. Always follow the equipment manufacturer instructions and local electrical codes, and when in doubt, hire a qualified technician to handle transformer, circuit, or control board work safely. One of the three most common mistakes is accidental shorting of thermostat wires, causing a blown fuse and no heat or cooling, which is fixed by powering down the HVAC at the breaker and replacing the fuse with the correct amp rating while verifying proper wiring labels. The second common issue is mislabeling or swapping wires that prevents proper equipment operation. Avoid this by taking a clear photo, labeling each conductor, and verifying terminal functions against the system schematic before reconnecting. The third frequent problem is relying on thermostat batteries or residual power while working, which can lead to shocks or control shorts. Always confirm zero voltage with a tester at both the thermostat and the furnace control board before handling wires. BigHomeProjects.com lists licensed local HVAC and electrical contractors, so homeowners can find vetted professionals for safe thermostat work. The directory helps contractors get quality leads by connecting them with nearby homeowners who need installations, replacements, or repairs.